some rice, ugali, or mashed potatoes, you have a main dish, but you are out of options when it comes to side dish. You rush to the marketplace, you have some cabbage, spinach, kale, sukuma wiki, and you have no idea what you're going to cook. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to cook some creamed spinach, which is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes at most to cook, and it's going to turn out delicious. I have a bunch of spinach which I've washed several times to get rid of any dust or dirt in between the leaves. I've prepped up some red and green capsicum and onion. We have 2 seasoning cubes which you can substitute with salt, but because we need that extra flavor, they're perfect for the recipe. We have cooking oil and cream of mushroom, which is going to add in that creaminess to the creamed spinach. So I'm going to start off by prepping up or by shredding my spinach. I'm going to hold a handful, and using a sharp knife, I'm going to finely chop my spinach. I'm going to pick a bowl where I'm going to transfer my spinach once chopped up. Once done, I'm going to transfer my spinach in a bowl. Then I'm going to chop up the rest of the spinach. Once done, it's time to cook. So I'm going to grab a pan, place over medium flame. Then I'm going to add in my spinach. It seems a lot, but it's going to wilt down in a matter of minutes. So I'm going to grab a spatula. Then, I'm going to use my spatula to stir in the spinach as it's cooking. And this is the first step when it comes to cooking creamed spinach. Within 30 seconds, the spinach is going to drain water, so it's going to be very easy for you to steam the spinach for around a minute or a minute and a half. As you can see, we have a little bit of moisture on the pan. That's what I'm talking about. So I'll cook for a further 20 seconds because I don't want to lose the green color in the spinach. And once ready, I'm going to transfer to a plate. And once done, I'm going to use the same pan to cook my creamed spinach, and I'll add in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Remember, the pan is already hot, so it's just a matter of adding in the oil and the onions, which are going to saute for around a minute until soft. When your onions are cooking, you're going to add in 50 grams of cream of spinach. Add in 2 thirds of water, then you're going to use a spoon and stir in the cream until fully combined. You can find cream of spinach at any well-stocked supermarket, and it's not optional because it's going to add in lots of flavor to the recipe. So once your onions are soft, this is how they'll look. So you're going to add in your assorted peppers. So I'm going to start off with my red, then green. Add in 2 seasoning cubes, which are going to add in lots of flavor. If you're going to be cooking a handful of the spinach, you can add in 1 seasoning cube because it contains salt and you don't want to over season your spinach. Stir in everything. add in my spinach. Coat the spinach with all the goodness on the pan. Once done, you're going to add in your cream, then you're going to stir in. Immediately you add in your cream, you'll notice that everything turns out thick. So you're going to thin out by adding in some milk as you stir in your spinach. Don't overcook your spinach. So after adding in the cream, you're going to cook for around a minute or two. You don't want to lose all that gorgeous green color, which makes spinach very flavorful. So this is how my cream spinach is looking. So I'm going to place on my coaster, put out the flames. Then I'm going to be serving over some turmeric rice with some beef stew. This is a perfect side dish which is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and it's going to turn out delicious, flavorful, and creamy.